There is a model out right now that's building production-ready websites, generating client-grade SVG graphics, and running autonomous multi-step workflows, and it costs $20 a month to access. That's MiniMax M3, and it just hit the open weight market doing things most paid frontier models still can't match. I'm going to show you exactly what it does, why it matters for your service business, and at the very end, I'm going to hand you the one prompt configuration that turns M3 into a repeatable deliverable machine for client work. That part alone is worth sticking around for. Hey, I'm Paul James. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is built for solo operators who want to sell real services to real businesses without a software subscription bleeding them dry before the first invoice lands. Drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing about where most people start when they decide to build a service business. Someone tells them they need a platform, something that handles their automation, their client communication, their chatbots, their web tools, all wrapped up in one dashboard for $200 to $300 a month before you've landed a single client. And it is worth asking yourself, honestly, why the same platforms keep coming up in every agency course you've ever seen. The tools that get pushed the hardest in this space don't always have the biggest results behind them. Sometimes they have the biggest commissions. That's the subscription tax, and it hits hardest when you haven't made your first dollar yet. I know what that pressure feels like. I was building out of my brother's garage, full-time school, part-time everything else, and zero margin for a $200 to $300 monthly bill before a single client paid me. Tools like MiniMax M3 are exactly what I needed back then. Open weight, near zero cost, frontier performance, that combination didn't exist. Now it does. The mechanism behind why M3 works so differently from the tools you're probably already using, I'm calling this the open weight delivery stack. It's the idea that you can layer a model like M3 into a service workflow and replace what used to require either expensive software or expensive contractors. You're not just using a smarter chatbot, you're running a full output engine. Here's what that actually means in practice. MiniMax, the team behind M3, built this model natively multimodal from day one. That matters because most models got vision capability added after the fact, bolted on, not built in. M3 was trained on text and visual input together from the start, and the difference shows up immediately when you start using it for real deliverables. A 1 million token context window means it can hold an entire code base, a full content brief, or months of client communication in a single session. That's not a marketing number. That's a genuine workflow shift for anyone doing web design or building custom knowledge bases for clients. The front-end generation from M3 is where it first stopped me. We're talking production level UI components, layout structure, animation, typography, component hierarchy, all from a single prompt. Not rough drafts, not something you'd hand to a developer to fix. Deliverable grade output that is closer to what you'd expect from a junior developer than a chatbot. And here's the piece that most people don't talk about with open weight models. SVG generation. M3 generates complex animated SVG files accurately and at scale. Logos, illustrations, branded graphics, scene compositions with day and night transitions, all from natural language instructions. For someone selling graphic design or social media content creation, that's a line item that used to require a design tool subscription or a contractor. Now it requires neither. The Agentic capability is the other side of this that most people miss. M3 was built for long horizon tasks, workflows that run across dozens of steps without drifting off course. That translates directly into automated lead generation sequences, multi-stage content pipelines, and internal AI assistants that don't break mid-session. Most tools fall apart when the task gets complex. M3 is specifically engineered for exactly that kind of depth. Here's what that actually looks like for someone running a web design service. A local dental clinic needs a new site. One session with M3. Full front-end build, responsive layout, service sections, context structure, generated and ready for review. That's a $1,500 deliverable. The model ran it in under an hour. Your infrastructure cost for that session is cents, not hundreds. That's the open weight delivery stack working exactly as designed. Now, most people who see that and get excited will try to hand the raw output directly to a client. That's where it falls apart. There's a configuration step almost nobody sets up before they start, and without it, the output looks generic and the client can tell. Give me 60 seconds. I'm walking you through that right now. Now here's where this gets genuinely useful for a service business. Let's talk about what you can actually charge for this. Web design is the most obvious angle. A solo operator with no prior development background can now sit down with M3, describe the client's business, and walk away with a front-end build that would have cost them either a contractor or weeks of learning. Setup fee of $500 to $1,000. Monthly maintenance retainer of $150 to $250. The tool cost, the $20 token plan or cents on the API. Most all-in-one platforms charge $200 to $300 a month for a website builder that cannot produce output at this level. Your version costs nothing to run, and the output is better. That gap is exactly where the solo operator advantage lives. Social media content creation is the second angle, and this is where the SVG output becomes a real business asset. Graphic content for local businesses, promotional cards, event graphics, branded visual posts, these are deliverables you can productize. A flat monthly package for 4 to 8 social graphics runs anywhere from $150 to $300 per client. M3 generates the SVG assets. You brief it with the business name, the offer, and the visual direction. It builds the asset, you package it, and bill it. That's a recurring income line that scales without adding hours to your week. Most solo operators ignore this angle because they assume design requires design software. It doesn't anymore. The third angle is custom knowledge bases. M3's 1 million token context window means you can feed it a full business operations manual, product catalog, employee onboarding guide, or training library, and build an internal AI assistant on top of it. That's a service with a clear pain point behind it. Local businesses with constant staff turnover are spending time training new people on the same information over and over. You solve that once with a custom knowledge base. They pay a setup fee of $300 to $500 and a monthly update retainer. The conversation practically sells itself once they understand what it does, and the tool running it costs you next to nothing per session. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's a picture of how this plays out. A solo operator, no agency background, no existing client base, picks web design as their first service. They spend one afternoon learning M3's output structure and that prompt framing approach I'll cover in a moment. They approach 3 local businesses with a simple offer, a clean, modern website for a flat $500 setup fee. They use MiniMax M3 to build each one. The first client pays. That single invoice already covers 3 months of the token plan. By the third client, the service is profitable at a cost structure no platform-dependent agency can touch. The whole stack runs for $20 a month. That's not a hypothetical. That's exactly what happens when you remove the subscription tax from the math. Actually, let me back up for a second on that configuration step I mentioned. The thing that separates a generic M3 output from a professional client deliverable is how you frame the initial prompt. Most people describe the task. What you want to do instead is set a context layer first. Tell M3 to act as a senior front-end developer, reviewing a client brief before a strategy call. Give it the business type, the audience, the design direction, and the output constraint all in one structured block before you ask it to build anything. That framing step is what locks in quality across every session. Without it, you're getting the model's default mode. With it, you're getting a directed output engine that holds the client's brief in context for the entire build. That's the difference between a draft and a deliverable. Picture what the next 30 days look like once this is your default workflow. You've got a web design service running on M3, you've got a social content package that generates graphics on demand, you've got a knowledge base offer for businesses that keep losing trained staff. 3 services, 1 model, $20 a month in infrastructure. No platform subscription, no SaaS bloat, no subscription tax eating your margin before you've earned it. That's what the open weight delivery stack actually buys you, not just a better AI tool, but a service business with margins most agencies will never see. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Now go build it.